I got something really exciting in the mail today, and because you clicked on this video, you already know what it is. It's the RJWC mud exhaust. It is used, so the first thing I need to do is get it cleaned up. Not that it's gonna stay clean for long. The first thing to do is put a little rust remover on all the hardware, which it looks like there's just 3 bolts. Then I'll take this into the utility sink and just give it a good scrub down. Hardware's still bubbling away. I got the muffler pretty well cleaned up. It's not perfect, but it's gonna be getting dirty anyway, so good enough for now. While those bolts are finishing up, I'm gonna start removing the old exhaust. My 4-wheeler's dirty from Arizona. I'm not gonna clean it up because it's cold and miserable outside. So I need to take off that heat shield and then of course the muffler itself. And then there's gonna be a spot in there where I have to disconnect it from the exhaust pipe. Of course, I just lost the 10mm. Where the heck did it go? Couldn't have been the 13. Absolutely impossible. Oh, hey, I found it. There we go. Man, look at the size difference. The weight savings alone, oh, that's heavy. The weight savings alone is gonna be worth it. That's awesome. That bolt that was real difficult for me to get out, that's gonna mount through there. And then this end, whoop, let me get you guys in here. That end is obviously gonna meet up with the exhaust pipe right there. pulled the hardware out of the rust dissolver and it looks fantastic. I got the bolts set in place here, but they're not tightened down yet to make it easier to mount the muffler. So I just realized, I'm having a hard time getting this mounting bracket lined up. It's totally adjustable. I just took this big screwdriver, got it up under the bracket over the exhaust, and I just pried down that way and I was able to line them up, no problem. So despite my problems not really understanding how to mount the new exhaust, that took me maybe an hour. Super fast and easy. Hey buddy. Pepper's in here helping me out again. But now the real test. I'm gonna start it up and see how different that sound is. I'm excited, but I'm also a little worried that it's gonna be too loud. We'll see. Time for a little test ride. So I was afraid the exhaust was gonna be too loud and I wasn't gonna be happy with it, but that is not the case. I absolutely love it. I am super happy with it. If you guys are thinking about it, just do it. It's not too loud. I love it.